So I'm eating lunch. I was thinking as I'm eating, and there's a lot of people out there. I talk to a lot of people every day. I do credit repair since 2009. Prior to that, I was in the mortgage business as a senior loan officer and manager. So many people I talk to today. Oh, I tried credit repair and they scammed me. They took my money. I'm like, oh yeah, where'd you find them? Oh, I found them on TikTok, or I found them on Instagram. Yeah, real experts. Do you find your mechanic on TikTok? Or do you find your dentist on TikTok giving you advice about, how they're going to fix your teeth, but they're not really dentists, or they're not really mechanics? Same thing. You're handing over your Social Security information, your Social Security number, your photo ID, and your proof of address when you're running disputes. You're just giving that info away. They're going to protect me. There's a gal that I was looking at today. If you look up Credit Suite, you're going to find her. She was caught for fraud, Social Security fraud. She was selling people's Social Security numbers, CPNs, that whole shtick about, just create a new credit profile with the new Social Security number. It's theft. You're using somebody else's information. Anyways, she got popped, and I couldn't find, what kind of time she did or whatever. It's a federal offense. But guess what? She's still on TikTok. She's still on Instagram. She's still on YouTube, spewing out her information about credit repair. And there's people buying it. There's people that are paying her money, giving her their information. And she's been convicted of fraud. You people need to do your homework and who you're talking to, and get their information and their background, and do some homework. The internet's a great place to do research. Google their information, Google anything about them or their company, look up their company. There's a genius idea. Do they have a physical address? Do they have any complaints with the Better Business Bureau? It's mind-blowing what not you specifically, but a lot of people out there believing on social media as these experts in credit. It's unfathomable. It's just crazy. Anyways, that's my food for thought when I'm trying to eat my lunch here. I'll get back to it. Have a good day.